Okay, welcome in to my channel today. I'm Sarah. This is The Country Castle. I have 8 kids and I share my life, recipes, decor, lifestyle content here. And one of the things that I have been getting a big response on is just how I get ready every single day. And I believe it's something that's so important for me. I like to look my best and it just helps me feel more productive. And I also feel like we have one life to live. Today, I am showing you 4 ways that I style my hair. I get questions about this all the time. It's such an easy haircut. I did a tutorial on how to cut your own hair. That is, I will link that below so that you can check that out if you haven't already seen it. It's really easy to just give yourself a blunt, like bob cut, and that's what I have. I thought I would show you 4 ways that I like to style it because it is actually a really, really fun haircut and it's super versatile. And I have found that it's been way easier to do my hair than when my hair was long. The first one I'm going to show you is how I style my hair down. This is a 1.5 inch curling iron. And I showed in my hair cutting video kind of how I like to curl my hair, but I do section it in 2 pieces. Pull it back like this, tie this up, and then I start with my lower half. But it really is, for me, it's twisting your curling iron around the main part of your hair, and then I like to pull down and straighten the end like that while I am curling, because I don't want a curled end. I just don't really like that look. It kind of gives you a little bit more of a Shirley Temple look. Sometimes that might be fun, but for my everyday casual, it really is the same curl. You're gonna pull it around, and then as you come down, just straighten that end. And it's super easy. The rule of thumb is always curling away from your face from this side and then go the other direction on this side. So we're gonna come in there, curl, and as we come down, we're gonna straighten that end. And we're gonna do that the rest of the way down and for the rest of the hair. You're gonna let the rest of your hair down, and we are actually going to just grab pieces and do the exact same thing. I'm curling away from my face here. I'm going to bring it down and just straighten that end. When I get to the front of my hair, I actually like to bring this barrel down like this to give myself a low curl. This just then frames around my face so I don't have a big curl up here. I don't want my hair to look like I spent a lot of time on it. And I will show you kind of what I mean by that. Again, I do the same thing. I do a low curl so it just frames my face. There's a couple products I want to show you that I love to use, especially with short, fine hair. I get this from Walmart. It's a texturizing spray, and it just helps add a little bit of grit and volume to my hair. I just lift and pop this in. And then you're just going to kind of mess up these curls. And this is what you get after you curl your hair like that. So it's a really easy style and it makes me feel cute, like I'm ready to go out. But that is the finished look, and I'm going to show you the back. Another really cute thing you can do with this style while it's down is you can over exaggerate your part. This is something I like to do, and then I tuck one end. If I am heading out on a special date, I will just kind of give myself that exaggerated part. I will, and then I kind of back comb this back part so that it is just kind of as bouncy and full, but getting that fullness on one side and tucking the other side is a really fun way to do this haircut too. I love the way that this is shaped for this kind of a style. So there's number 2. Number 3 is showing you how I do my hair half up. I do this a lot, and it's probably one of my favorite hairstyles because it keeps my hair out of my face. So when I do half up, I go from my ear straight up. I love a good high half up. However, this haircut can go many different ways. I typically do a high half up, and I'll show you why, but you can definitely do that. I feel like this is very retro. Barefoot at the Park with Jane Fonda. That's one of my favorite movies, and she's one of my favorite style icons. I have been wearing my hair half up for so long. Even when my hair was really long, this was a hairstyle that I sported a lot. So you're just going to get a little elastic here. These are my kids' little elastics, and I'm just going to pop my hair up into a high half up. And then I bring 2 pieces down like this. And you can loosen the top like that. You can rat your pony a little more. And just have fun with it. You could actually grab, sometimes I grab pieces from here and I also let them come down. But I love this style. It's super easy. You can add texturizing spray to just give it a little bit more mess. And then when I have my hair like this, I love to pop on a fun earring, and these are like one of my favorites. It is like this rattan earring that I've worn for years, like those cute boho retro vibes. There is that hairstyle. You can also grab a little piece of your hair from behind your pony and you can wrap it around your elastic, and then with a bobby pin, or typically I just stick it back up into my elastic. You can get a little more of a polished look of having your pony elastic covered by your own hair. So that's another easy way to kind of style this. I do this hairstyle a lot. It keeps my hair out of my face, and you've seen me on my channel kind of have my hair half up. We are going to go to hairstyle number 4, which is doing a slick back. I love to do a middle part because it is like the ballerina in me loves that very sophisticated slicked back look. This is another hairstyle I love to do when I just want to be very sophisticated and polished. And honestly, it just depends on my mood day to day. So anytime I do a slick back, I kind of get it a little bit wet, just a little bit, just to get any flyaways. And then we are just going to take a fine tooth comb and we are just going to slick it back into a tight pony. So then I like to tuck here so that it gives me a like little bun, and that does not bother me. I just love the look of that rather than having the pony sticking out that's all short. If I wanted to do a little ponytail, I would have this a little bit more messy so that the pony would kind of match. But since we're doing slick back, we are also trying to keep the back of the hair tidy as well. And then you're gonna spray it with some hairspray because you want to give it that ballerina look. And this is one of my favorites as well. And you can also pop in some earrings to go with it. I hope this helps, and I hope that you have a wonderful day. Let me know if you liked this video and if you tried some of these hairstyles. I would love to see it. I've also linked the 1.5 inch curling iron below as well if you need one of those, and some of my styling tools. And I hope that you have a wonderful day.